Hello everyone, welcome to Curiosity Tech Learner. Today we are going to start our journey into web development course. So let's begin. Nowadays, almost all of us uses internet every day. We visit many websites, whether it is related to our work or related to entertainment, right? So what is a website? Websites are digital documents stored on computers called server and displayed in web browser, and everything you see on a website, text, images, button, is built using code. Okay, now let's talk about front end and back end development. So what is front end? Front end is what users see, and back end is what happens behind the scenes. For example, let me give you an example. Suppose I type GTA 5, right? Yes. And when I open a Rockstar game website, you can see here the text and the images, right? So this is basically front end develop. This is front end. A front end developer makes a website look beautiful and interactive, like designing a car dashboards, right? And a backend developer makes sure data is stored and retrieved correctly, like the engine running the car. ठीक है समझे? Let me clarify you more by giving an example. Suppose you go on a restaurant and whatever you see, like the decoration of the restaurant and the menu in which different types of food item is listed. Okay, this is the front end, what customers see, and back end is the kitchen and the cooking. Okay, where the work happens, where the food is getting cooked, right? This happens behind the wall, मतलब जो तुम नहीं देख पाते. ठीक है, this is the back end. So this is a simple difference between back end and front end development, right? So now let's talk about how websites work. So basically it is based on internet and client server model. For example, when I type www.google.co.in, then Google website get displayed on my browser. How this happens? This happens because my computer, that is the client, sends a request to Google server. In response to that, server sends back a web page which is composed of HTML, CSS, JavaScript to your browser, and then your browser reads the code and displays it as a website. For example, अगर मैं यहाँ पे inspect करके दिखाऊँ आपको, तो you can see here a number of codes which is full of, मतलब देख सकते हो कि HTML टैग है, यहाँ बॉडी हेड टैग है, ये बॉडी टैग है, ठीक है, ये div टैग यूज किया गया है. सो वेबसाइट इज मेड बाय यूजिंग द कोड. ठीक है, HTML, CSS, जावास्क्रिप्ट सब हम सीखेंगे यहाँ पे. तो अब तुम्हें बेसिक आइडिया पता चल गया कि वेबसाइट्स कैसे काम करती है, राइट? And now let's talk about HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and you have heard number of time these topic, right? So what is basic? What is these topic? What is these languages basically? ठीक है? HTML is the structure. HTML is called the skeleton of a website, like the walls of your house. And CSS is used for styling. CSS adds colors, fonts, and layout like paint and furniture, which you use to decorate your house. Right? Understand? And what is JavaScript? JavaScript is used for the interactivity. It makes buttons, animations, and forms work. It is used for the interaction between users and the website, right? And now let me give you an example so that you get a better understanding of these terms. ठीक है? So let me open a website GTA 5. ठीक है, इसको इंस्पेक्ट करके देखते हैं एक बार. हाँ, और ये देखो, इसमें जैसे कि ये दिख रहा है तुमको, ये हेडिंग नाउ अवेलेबल फॉर PS5 एंड Xbox. ठीक है, ये एक HTML की मदद से लिखा गया. ठीक है, जैसे कि अगर मैं क्लिक करके दिखाऊं यहाँ पे, ये देखो, देखा, ये H1 हेडिंग के अंदर डाला गया ना, अवेलेबल फॉर PS5, ठीक है। ये एच टी एम एल लैंग्वेज की वजह से डाला गया है। और ये जैसे स्टाइलिंग यूज करी है, जैसे बैकग्राउंड चेंज किया गया है जैसे इसका, ठीक है। और पीछे हल्का से यहाँ पे देख पा रहे हो, पीछे बैकग्राउंड इमेज डली हुई है हल्की सी यहाँ पे इस तरफ, वो CSS की मदद से डला हुआ है, ठीक है। और जावास्क्रिप्ट क्या इन्हें हेल्प करता है, जैसे कि अगर मैं यहाँ पे क्लिक करूँ, ये जो बटन, जैसे मैं क्लिक कर सकता हूँ इन पे, तो ये बटन है, ठीक है। सो it helps, this is done because of the javascript help us to do this, ठीक है। और CSS क्या करता है, CSS स्टाइलिंग के लिए यूज किया जाता है। और HTML क्या करता है, बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर, बेसिक ढांचा, जैसे कहते हैं ढांचा बना देता है वेबसाइट का, वो होता है, ठीक है। जैसे कि अगर मैं हल्का सा चेंज करना चाहूँ तो मैं चेंज भी कर सकता हूँ मैं, अगर मैं यहाँ क्लिक करूँ और यस, यू कैन वॉच सिंपल। अगर मैं यहाँ पे जाके लिख दूँ क्यूरोस्टिक tech learner, right? So you can see the change that I have done in there, ठीक है। मैंने ये कहाँ चेंज किया है, H2 हेडिंग में चेंज किया है, जो कि HTML लैंग्वेज है, ठीक है। ये धीरे धीरे आपको समझ में आ जाएगी, बाद में से फर्दर कोर्सेज करेंगे, क्लास ले लूंगा, तो आपको समझ में आ जाएगा कि क्या चेंज किया है। जैसे यहाँ पे मैंने चेंज कर दिया, ठीक है। और ये मतलब सीधे सीख जाओगे तुम। You get a brief introduction of web development. So let's start building our first website, building your first website. Okay, let's create our first website, but before that we have to install a code editor. I have already installed a VS Code editor. I prefer you to install VS Code because it is really helpful for us. All the big developers, coders use VS Code because it provides various extension which will help you in writing fast. You can use Notepad also, but it is a bad way of write. It takes so much time. It is a lengthy process. ठीक है, but in VS Code it's it provides your coding journey smoothly, ठीक है। So I have created a folder named web development here already, and now I will create a folder named video 1. This is our first video, so I will name it video 1, and then shift right click on this, and I will open it in VS Code, and yes. But wait a second, as I moving forward, a thought crossed my mind. What if you have not installed VS Code yet? And I don't want to rush ahead without making sure we are on the same page. That's why I think this is the right place to end the video. Let me know in the comments if you have installed it or if you need a separate video on the setup of VS Code. I will be happy to make one for you. In the next lecture, I will start building your first website, so make sure you are ready for that. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any update. I will see you in the next one.